Viewers, I managed to find all the pieces of this power board. In a previous video, I just noticed this went bang, just lodged into the cardboard. So that's a pretty, yeah, that would definitely go through you. Dangerous stuff. Dangerous shrapnel. That was there. That goes there, and that goes there. Made a nice mess on this, that's for sure. Yep, metal oxide rest did its job. Blew it to smithereens. That is epic. PFC capacitors for the win. I've managed to repair this CT. Resoldered some new wires on it. I'm going to keep this on for some experiments. Just got to find out how to drive it. Or how to get a reading off, I should say. Move on to this meter. Get this new one nice and cleaned up. 1999, looks like it's already been restored. Yeah, they're only fairly recent terminal meter seals. So this must have been used around the power of the electric board in the substation or something. MF3d. It's an LG 3-phase 4-wire unbalanced load meter. It's a 3-phase 400 230 volt blank 5 amp 50 Hz 540 revs per kilowatt hour. Made in Switzerland. To be used with current transformers. Doesn't say what type or number they are though. So it's a CT meter by the looks of it. Reading times 10, yeah, definitely a CT meter. Well, that smells nice and antique. The antique paper smell that comes with old radios as well. There's a wiring diagram. Read it like that. Yeah, this is a bit more of a, I'm going to be very careful how I load this one. Blank 5, so I have to use a 5 amp ballast. I'm phantom loading this to do an accuracy test. Judging by how recently it's been recertified and looks like it's been repainted with a terminal cover on too, so this probably would be accurate, being through the workshop. Let's give it a test. It's got 484.8, so times that by 10. It's be what, 248,000 or something? Somewhere around there. 9358. That must be the WCC number, 9358. Anyway, let's get it restored. Quite a very well made meter, this one. Needs to be at least from the late 40s. Good quality stuff. Viewers, where it's going backwards. I've got the potential phase the wrong way, but it's working. That's 5 amps going through that, and it's working. Yeah, I wired up wrong, so I didn't put my jumpers all the way on. It's harder to wire this now because it's got smaller terminal blocks than most meters, so. But it's working. It's on the low rate, so it's on this one here. Just a quick and dirty test. But it's going. Good quality stuff. Alright, turn it off. Unplug safety first. Anyway, we already know it's going to be accurate, so let's give it a clean up. Bit of a dust off, and this one's pretty much good to go. It's a serial number on there. 6812290. Very good quality meter, this one. Has all the bits and pieces except the one little nut's missing. And the potential here is for the potential coil. This terminal screw's been snapped off. So, don't know how I'm going to get that out. I have to get a small job and a tiny ease out to get that broken bolt out. Yeah, been repainted. It's definitely been refurbished, this one. It's a good quality meter. It cleaned up quite well. Just a bit of dust, that's all that it needed. Bit of a buff, that's it. Yeah, I won't bother cutting the seals, I'll leave it sealed. This will be a lot like my HG1K coin operator meter. Pretty much the same thing, but without the coin mechanism. That's what it'll be like. And so inside, you have a load wheel here, and probably a load wheel here and a load wheel here. Judging by the height of it, it'll have 3 load wheels in this one. Got one potential current coil there, there and there. Judging by the styling of it. Got a little small window there. I don't know why I put a real small window for the load wheel. It's kind of odd how they did that with these altimeters. You just got to get right on it in order to see the load wheel spin. It's very good quality stuff. Everything but the back's been redone. It's in pretty damn good condition. Anyway, that's this new one, nice and polished up and restored. Thanks for watching. There's a spec plate again.